Let's take a look at this example. We have D naught, C naught, B, A naught. This is cell number 2. This is cell number 3. Why is number 3? Remember that D naught, C naught represent zeros, and B, A, because they have no negation bars, represent 1. So this is 0, 0, 1, 1. This is binary 3. That's why I wrote 1 in cell number 3. This is binary 6. This is binary 7. This is binary 8. This is binary 9. This is binary 12. This is binary 13. This is binary 0. This is don't care. This is binary 5. Don't care. We have binary 15. Don't care. And this is binary 10. Don't care. Keep in mind that variable without negation represents 1. Anytime we have variable with negation represents 0. So I have 1, 0, 1, 0. This is binary 10. That's why I wrote don't care in cell number 10. Let's check how many groups we can create over here. We have one group, and we have second group. So basically we don't need to use any don't cares, and this is the only groups which we can create in this map. So let's talk about the first one. First one is placed in 2 rows and 2 columns. The common variable for these 2 rows is D. The common variable for these 2 columns is B naught. I'm finished with this group. Next, this group is placed in 2 rows. Common variable for these 2 rows is D naught. And this group is placed in 2 columns. The common variable for these 2 columns is B. As you can see, this is exclusive OR. So I'm going to write this as D exclusively ORed with B. And if you want to implement it, this is simply 2 input exclusive OR gate with inputs D and B. These are the solutions to my problem.